Yeah. Welcome, 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 you know. Rasta Comic Station all day long, is it? So here we go, a new thing, you know. So I try to start a little thing, is it? I want to try influence people to use them brain. You understand what I'm saying? Use your brain, I mean like, yo, grow your kids properly, you understand? In order for your kids them to grow up proper, and for you them not turn out like no gangster, no badness, and no rap. You have to pay attention to the youth them, understand? You have to understand, say, time change. Say, for instance, you have a youth, you have a son, and you have a daughter, right? As a man, you grew up and we say to yourself, the youth, which is the boy, have to grow up strong. So as a man, you know, show the man no love. You know, show the youth no love, you know, hug him and tell him, say, yo, I love you, my son. So it's like, boy, if you don't do them something there, then the youth grow up and feel like say only mommy love them because, you know, every day mommy say, you know, me love you, baby, me love you. Don't do nothing bad. Don't me know you're dead, me know something happen to you. You understand? So, and you know, when the father of a daughter now, the daughter, him go hug up his daughter and tell him, say, boy, baby not doing no dirty boy, and you know, I want ready for you to kill boy for them daughter. I may understand that because I'm my daughter, I'm my son. But you have to show your son and your daughter the same amount of love because you see, when the son grow up now, him go treat him son the same way. Him go start treat him son like say boy, more my boy grow up tough, so I'm not show him no love. You know? Any mistake you make him get a beating. You see it? Anything you do him get a beating feet and it's like boy that's not a good thing, you know? You know, cause you don't beat the daughter when the daughter does something fuck up, but you want to beat the son. You understand me? That's just like the mothers. Some mothers out there, them is jealous of their daughters. And they will, you know, their daughter will get raped or abused by them boyfriend and them go say to them daughter, you deserve it because you depend on the man like, whoa. But yo, are you teach a little girl that enough? So you can't get upon a little girl just to she do a little thing. Because you teach her them knowledge there. You understand? For sure respect. It's like how you want to hug up the son and say, you're my number one son and you're my best son and you're this and you're that. You have to treat the daughter the same way, just like the man have to treat them son the same way. You have to show respect and love to the whole of them. Period. You see it? So anyways, Rasta Comic Station, this will come out. You know, I want brand new thing work on comic books to make comics based on black history and based on Jamaican history. Because here we're going. No disrespect, no racism, but when you look on Chinaman, Japanese man, everybody have their own type of book. You understand? Animation come from Japan. Everything in the animation is mostly black, it's mostly white and Asian. Which is not a bad thing because it's a freedom thing that them created. But we as black people or as Jamaicans, people only know we as people who can run fast or do music. They don't feel like we can do comics and we can do this and we can do that. You understand what I said? But me is the man who do them something there. So me I tell you say, yo, comic book thing are a real thing. We can make animation go from animation to TV show and movie and all them something there. You understand? You can get rich. The same way you can get rich. Maybe the music is faster. But them who get rich for music never stay long in the music. You understand? Much man get big in the music and then drop out. You see what I said? Anyway, we're not switch on the topic too much. The main thing I try to say originally is that man for treat them son the way them treat them daughter. With bare respect and love. You understand? If you don't treat your kids with love, they'll end up either kill you or they will end up getting killed by somebody else because they must say, boy, me grew up with no love in us. So no, you know, like all the Jamaicans must say right now that man, if me say me love you to my father, it means me a batty man. Or in a Jamaican them call it fish. Only if you a bat wait a minute. A matter of fact, God, them say in the Bible that God is a man. So if God is a man and me say God me love you, so that means me a batty man if me love God. But you say no because you say boy I'm a God. But God made man in our own image. So if me can love God, me can love my father. You understand? It's like our daughter can love our mother. You understand? So anyway, we don't take too long to look at them things that run long, you know what I mean? But we'll talk about some things again. But end the thing with some new thing, is it? Cause watch over us by Cartel. Check it out. Listen to it. Little bit now again though. And remember me tell you, you know, a Cartel tune. So man nobody come try to sue me. Alright, run ready my youth. Rush. The party tonight.
As I smoke up and drink up, we going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah. Ladies, if you love excitement, come let me rub you the right way. We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah. Watch them girls that they're so goddamn perfect. Big bumper, but they don't look like mermaid.
Anyway, mad. You know, I give it too much stuff. Time I run out. So here what? Link up and you don't know. Subscribe. Rasta Station. You don't know all day, all night. Whoa, whoa. What that? Bingo out. Blackmask out.